Okay, let this be a spring block system. So it is having at natural length, and it is at rest. What I do is like I'm going to so let it be elongated by a distance x1. Now further I'll stretch it by distance x2. Now first case, what is the work done by me? W1. Next I'm going to do work W2. Work done by external agent here. So who is going to pull this? On its own, block will not move. No? From rest to rest, the external agent has to move here. Let's see that what is the energy stored in the spring and how to calculate the work done by external agent. So first, actually, the external agent has to pull this block. So what was the work done by external agent? W1 should be equal to kx into dx. Of course, the external agent is what will be available. I'm not showing that one. So then how much of force we should apply? Force equal to spring force, slowly from rest to rest if I'm moving. Then 0 to x1. So this will become k x1 square by 2. Already there's some energy in the stored. What is energy stored in the spring? Should be equal to W1, which is k x1 square by 2. Now, already it got elongated. Further, how much of work I should do to elongate by distance x2? So work done by external agent dw2 equal to kx dx. So already it was elongated x1. Further, I should elongate to x2. So this will become k x square by 2 x1 to x2. This much of work the external agent has to do. Okay, what is energy stored in the spring? Kx2 square means already there is some energy u1. Now external agent will further pull it. Say there is elastic band, initially natural length. First you pull by x1. You have to do work. Next, to pull by distance x2, how much of work you should do? The difference of these two energies. That's what W2. So to pull it by distance further, to make the elongation x2, how much you have moved? x2 minus x1. So what is work done by external agent? To further elongate to a distance x2 means it should be k x2 square by 2 minus k x1 square by 2. You should not write k x2 minus x1 whole square. This will be wrong. Most of us will try to think like this. This is wrong. What is the energy stored in the spring? U2. What is the energy stored in the spring here? U1. So it's very simple. Earlier, what is energy in the spring now? U1. To further elongate to x2, how much of work I should do? The difference of these two. What is x2? x2 is not this one. x2 is the total elongation. x1 is initial elongation. Same thing for compression also. What we discuss elongation, same thing for compression. Next, after this, we'll let me one more last one, theoretical.
Could you show the last line once? Thank you, sir.